Yeah, that'll work. So I cut out a big honking air inlet vent, cut a big square hole in there. And here's the good news. The temperature actually is unbelievably lower since I put that in there. But the sound is, didn't really muffle it that much. Here, let me open this up. This is on full throttle too. So we got the fan on here. All right, let me turn it down. See, I still don't have sound deadening in there, but I tell you, it is very, very cool inside the box now with that on there. So now I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this. I think I went a little bit too big. That's a 12 by 12 inlet vent. Probably should have gone with a 10, but I can still maybe cover up a little bit on the inside with like aluminum tape or something. But I don't know yet. But I'm getting there. The goal is to get the heat out of there, and it's gone. So I think with the sound deadening and maybe, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I just wanted to show you this. That's where I'm at. All right, thanks.